Good morning and welcome to my channel. Okay, why did I say good morning? Because it is noon. Actually, it is 12:01, so it is not actually morning. But today we are going to be doing a clean with me video. So I want to start by getting ready. As I have shared before, I feel more comfortable. I feel more motivated when I put my face together, when I get my hair done, put some deodorant on, get out of my PJs, you know how that is. So I need to get motivated. We have spent the last 2 weeks sick. We had COVID. It made its rounds in the family. My daughter was sick. It's just been a whole mess. And so today I am going to take you with me to put back together my house from barely maintaining life to hopefully peace and joy. Like I like my house to be. So I hope that you enjoy this video. I hope that you put it on while you're cleaning. It gives you motivation. The whole point is to motivate each other, support each other, be there for each other. This is why I started this channel. So I hope you enjoy the video and you watch with me, and that's it. Let's get to it. Okay, so I am ready. I am motivated. I'm gonna get this done. I have no idea where I'm gonna start, but let's go ahead and take a look at what we're looking at. Take a look at what we're looking at. Take a look at what we're dealing with. Here we go. That is the table I used when I was coloring or tie-dyeing a project. It's still there. Laundry that needs folded, my collect-all table, kids fighting upstairs. What house is not complete without kids fighting upstairs? My dining room is the worst. Oh, all of this is giveaway. I just recently went through the kids' clothes. They have a birthday coming up, and beyond that, they have both all sized up. So we have several bags of stuff that's going to give away. I'm working on loading that into the car once I figure out what we're doing. This needs to go downstairs. Recycling needs to be taken out. There's our water bottles that need filled up and taken to the church. My place where I made lunch for Dustin this morning is still a mess. Not too bad on the dishes front. Maybe. I don't know, y'all. I'm hoping that by showing you all of this, I will feel more motivated to clean it. At least my living room is decent. Slight delay. I actually took so long getting ready this morning that the kids decided it was lunchtime before I even got to clean anything. So, lunch break. Why would I complain about another break off of housework? I mean, right? And lunch is over. And let's get this done, because I'm telling you what, it's driving me bonkers. I always start in the kitchen because I feel better when the dishes are done. So that's where we are headed. not want to see me wash all them nasty dishes, so those are done, and let's get this kitchen finished. I think I'm gonna call it quits for the day. All that is left of what I intended to do today is off that table, tackling that laundry, and then I do need to vacuum. This is not really conducive to getting stuff done. So I am hot, I am tired, I need a snack. It is almost 5 o'clock. I'm gonna have to start dinner soon. So I'm just gonna quit for today, and I will be back tomorrow to film the rest of it. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in a little bit. Hi, me again. So here's the real facts of life, okay? It is now Monday, Saturday, Sunday, 3 days after I was supposed to finish what I was supposed to finish. And I have not yet finished that. And in fact, my house is again a mess. So you know what? We're starting this whole thing over again. So I wanted to come on here and end my video and let you all know that real life happens, and sometimes the best goals don't always get achieved when it comes to housework, and you have 3 kids and you have a busy life, and that is okay, because you know what? The kids are fed, they're healthy, they're happy, we're happy, and we're living a happy life, and that's what really matters. So for now, I'm gonna end this. I'm gonna say goodbye. Thank you for watching. Hit like, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and we will see you for more of this journey. And know that you are loved, you are chosen, and God created you for a purpose.